Welcome to the Wesley Wall Scratcher assembly video. This is a very simple assembly, but we always like to recommend having 2 people. We also recommend having your feline quality control supervisor close by at all times. Let's begin with ensuring you have all your hardware and parts that are required for the build. Once you have all your hardware together, we're ready to start. Lay the 5 panels on the ground, similar to as you see in the video. Note there are 2 panels labeled number 1, panel number 3, 4, and 5. Step 1 begins with the camlock screws, which are labeled A. You'll need 7 in each of the panels, which are labeled 1. We always recommend using a hand tightening screwdriver for this process, just to ensure you don't over-torque the screws in the wood paneling. Step 2. Place the wooden dowels, which are labeled C in your hardware, and insert them in between the camlock screws. Step 3, you're going to take all of the metal camlocks labeled B and insert them into the holes on panels 3, 4, and 5. A little tip. So there is an arrow on those metal camlocks. You want to ensure that it's pointing towards the outside of the panel as shown in this video. Another quick tip, if you're having trouble placing that camlock in the hole, just use a screwdriver to push down on it. Step 4, you're going to take panel number 3 and combine it with panel number 1, as shown on the video. Also important to note that there's 2 small pre-drilled holes which are meant for the mounting brackets. It should be facing the back of the unit when it's complete, as indicated by the arrows. Now you can tighten the 2 camlock screws. You can continue with panel number 4 and placing it on panel number 1 and tightening the 2 camlock screws. Now you can take panel number 5. It's helpful to have 2 people for this part, especially once you get it placed in. You can tighten the 3 camlocks along the bottom. You're ready for the last panel. Place the other panel 1 on top and proceed by tightening all the remaining camlock screws. Once those are tightened, you can proceed by placing the wood stickers over all the camlocks. Step 6, you're going to take the sisal, remove the sticker paper on the back of the 3M Velcro, and place it on the front of panel number 5. Step 7, you're going to take the wall mounting brackets labeled E. Take 2 of the metal brackets with 2 of the small screws and insert them into the pre-drilled holes on the back of panel 3. Please note in this video we don't actually show the wall mounting, but we recommend assistance with drywall anchors. It will require a power drill to make the holes and insert the anchors, as well as measurement on the wall for placement. Once you have the Wesley up against the wall, you can screw in the longer metal screws into the drywall anchors. And lastly, it comes with black covers for the brackets. You can place those on as well. You've officially finished the Wesley Wall Scratcher assembly. And now that it's complete, it's ready for quality control inspection.